Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel Vizag World. Today I have a very special idea for you, and if you are new to our channel, please do like, share and subscribe our channel Vizag World. So let's get started. Okay, let's start with this aloe vera leaf. I have never tried painting our Indian flag on a leaf like this before. So I was really curious to see how it would look. And honestly, I'm really happy with how this one is coming together. There is something beautiful about seeing our flag on a natural surface like this. I think this one has a very simple and unique look. Would you ever try something like this? Do comment, and this is the final output. And now let's move on to the coin. This is such a small surface, so this one needed a little more patience and concentration. While I was working on it, I was actually wondering how the final result would look. And now, looking at it, I really like the way our Indian flag has came together on such a tiny surface. And this is the final output. And now here comes the Amla. I know this is probably not the first thing you would think of when you hear painting canvas, but that's what I really enjoy about art. We can look at everyday things in a completely different way. The shape of the amla makes this painting look quite different from the others, and I really enjoyed creating this one. Tell me, how do you feel about this idea? And this is the final output of our Indian national flag painting using amla. Now let's take a look on the metal plate. This surface gives the painting a completely different appearance. I was really curious to see how our Indian flag would look on metal, and I'm very happy with the result. Sometimes when we try something different, the result can be much more beautiful than we expect. What do you think? And this is the final output of our painting. And finally, we have the wooden piece. I really love the natural feel of wood, and I think it gives this Indian flag painting a beautiful handmade look. After painting on all these surfaces, I have to say each one has its own special beauty. Aloe vera, coin, amla, metal plate and wood. 5 different surfaces but one beautiful Indian flag. Now I really want to know your favorite painting and which one do you like the most, and this is the final output of our painting. So this is the final output of our 5 Indian national flag paintings, and thank you so much for watching, and please do subscribe our channel.